So hello, welcome. So today we have this Spirit wired gaming mouse. You can see all the detail designed for champions gaming. You can see DPI 7200. Okay, let's unbox it. You can see the seals and you can see, let me break it. Oh, this is the thing you can read by pause the screen. 7200 DPI gaming sensor, which is very amazing, I think. So it do have mentioned the braided cable, which is my favorite part of the any cable. 1.5 mm durable cable. Let me unbox it. Also it do have EMI ring, ergonomic design for long comfortable gaming, 6 buttons with 3 million click switches. We can switch, I think, DPI to 1200, 1800, 2400, 3600, 4800 and 7200, which is my favorite one for gaming. So wow, look at this looks so premium, and wow, I love the design. Oh, there is nothing. Oh, there's a sticker. I love this part of the unboxing sticker. I do love the sticker. So there is some manuals. I think there is there's something not for you guys. I think this is okay, warranty claim, so we can register if you. So look at this mouse. Wow, this feels so amazing. Look at the weight. Whoa, it's heavy. It's a proper premium mouse. Oh, feel is so amazing. Let me put. Wow, look at the feel. Wow, amazing. These buttons, I don't know what's for there. I have used this type of gaming mouse before. So this is a braided cable. I mean fabric cable. So they do not tangle and very long lasting. So wow, this is my favorite part. Also this is I think they do have this EMI ring. So that's all, I think, this video.